The Oppo Reno 5 Pro is 5G enabled and has an ultra-slim body with curved edges. It is available in astral blue and starry black color variants. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory for a smooth and efficient performance. It comes with dual SIM. Oppo Reno 5 Pro has a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 3D borderless design for an immersive viewing experience. With a 90Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling rate of 180Hz, the phone not just produces smooth visuals but also has an ultra-responsive touch. The Oppo phone comes with HD and HDR certifications, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows in high quality. It comes with a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone quickly and securely. Reno 5 Pro has a 64-megapixel rear quad camera setup with AI highlight video. It also features a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies. Powered by ColorOS 11.1 based on Android V11.0 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone comes with a 4350 mAh battery with 65-watt Super VOOC 2.0 flash charging that gives up to 4 hours of video playback on a 5 minutes charge and full charge in just 30 minutes. The box includes handset, earphones, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide, safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.